Hi, I'm Trish, and this handsome boy is Leo. Today we're revealing heat stroke signs that hit fast and how you can save your dog. Heat stroke can strike in under 10 minutes. Most owners don't see it coming until it's almost too late. Dogs don't sweat like us. Panting is their cooling system, but it fails quickly in extreme heat. Once their temperature hits 106, organs begin shutting down. Brain, heart, kidneys. It's fast and deadly. So let's begin with the earliest signs, the ones that can save your dog if you catch them in time. Sign 1, heavy, rapid panting. Faster, louder, and more desperate than usual.
Sign 2, gums turning cherry red, the body's way of screaming for help.
Sign 3, thick, sticky drool. That's overheating, not just thirst. Sign 4, restlessness. Dogs try to escape the heat even if they don't know how. Sign 5, digging or rushing to shade. A survival instinct kicking in. Hot surfaces burn fast, and if your dog lifts paws or walks strangely, heat stress has begun. It's a nice strong heartbeat, Leo. Now the emergency signs. The stage where every second matters.
Weakness or wobbling steps show heat is attacking their nervous system. Vomiting or diarrhea means the body is overheating internally. Excessive drooling at this point is a crash signal, not normal drool.
Collapse is a red alert emergency. Do not wait. Start the rescue immediately.
Pale or blue gums mean oxygen is dropping. This is life or death.
Now, the 60-second heat stroke rescue plan. Follow it exactly. Move your dog to shade or AC. Remove collars for airflow.
Next, pour cool, not icy water on neck, chest, and inner thighs.
Wet the paws. They cool the bloodstream faster than most areas. Use wet towels, but change them every minute. Warm towels trap heat. Here you go, buddy. Want some water? It's nice and cool. Good dog. Last step, start driving to the vet. Keep cooling your dog on the way. Never use ice water. It causes shock and shuts down cooling.
Never wrap your dog completely in a wet towel. It traps body heat.
Prevent heat stroke by walking during early mornings or late evenings only.
Always carry water, avoid hot pavement, and know your dog's tolerance. Brachycephalic dogs overheat fastest.
Protect your dog and help others protect theirs. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving dog care tips.